One of my favorite things about 3D printing is just how practical it is. Let me show you a couple examples here. I'm in my backyard, and as you can see here, we've got quite a number of wind chimes up here. And I had one recently that had fallen apart. Let me show you what I did to it. Now we're on the south side of our backyard here, and as you can see, I've got quite a number of wind chimes set up here. And this one here, originally, the spreader part of it here was made out of wood. And over the years, between the sun and the rain, that wood had rotted and fell apart. This one I've also got a sail that's 3D printed. And these are all made out of the PET that I make from plastic bottles. I quickly designed this in TinkerCAD, printed it up, and this will last for years to come. So let me show you the other thing that I created that's very practical. It's over here in my 3D printing space. Let me show that to you. So this is the area where I have all my 3D printers set up. And as part of that, these are all networked. And I've got, right now, this network switch in here. This is an old 10100 switch. Pretty slow. And I recently purchased a new gigabit switch that's set up a little bit different. So I'm going to be replacing this with this one here. So I have this new network switch, and this one's set up a little bit different. You can see this one here, the connections go on the bottom and the lights face forward. This worked out very well. But this particular switch is set up different. The lights are on the front and all the connections are on the back. So in order for me to see those lights, it needs to set this way. Well, this presented a little bit of a problem. So what I did is I designed these side plates in TinkerCAD. Took me about 10 minutes to design these, and again, these are printed with the PET that I make from the plastic bottles. Very strong stuff. As this sits, that won't deform or break. And I've designed these so that they latch onto these wires back here. And you just simply put that in there, snap them into place. That'll hang there, and I can make all my connections from the back. 3D printing, practical stuff, using TinkerCAD. Who would have thought?